Welcome back. We are still on the Excel tricks and tips. This is a pivot table that was generated from this little data set. I can have a visual, I can pick up a recommended chart, and I will have this. So as our usual practice, I can right click on any of the display on the chart, and I'll choose hide all feed buttons on chart. So I want to delete this, and here I want to remove the grid line. I want to delete this total. However, if I want to do something related to the format chart area, I can just press Ctrl 1 and it will display at the right side. You can see display at the right side. So here, if you want to fill the color, you can fill. So if I click on this bar, I can use vary color by points. And if I want to color it myself, I can easily do the color myself without using the vary color by points. So that is the use of Ctrl 1 also in the format data series of your chart or graph in the pivot table. So the next one which I talk about is the Alt DO, meaning that when you have a form already which you are filling and you want to continue filling that form, you just put your cursor somewhere around that form. Let's say I want to add more sales data. I will just press the Alt key DO. It will display like a form. I can click on new and I'll start adding more data. So just with Alt, you press the Alt key, don't remove your finger, and you press letter D and letter O. So this is how you can help your form display in form of an interactive form display. So we have the serial number 1, how to write a serial number. So if I have a figure 1 and I want to generate a serial number, I can go through the fill of at the home tab. I can go through here. I have series and I will take column. Since the step value is 1 and I'm going to 1000, the stop value should be 1000. And when I press OK, you can see that with Ctrl down, I can go to the end of the data where I have 1000. If you are watching this YouTube channel for the first time, please do not watch alone. Please try to like, share, and more importantly, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you're going to get notified whenever I produce more quality content. Thank you so much for doing that. So the last thing we talk about is how to use the Alt HFIS to have a serial numbering. So I've done that now manually. We can easily do that using this shortcut. Just make sure you have your 1 and the cursor is also there. You can now press the Alt key followed by F, followed by H. I press H. Let me start all over. This is 1. There is cursor on it. Alt followed by H, followed by F, followed by I, followed by S. You can see it displays this straightforward, and you can type 1000. So that one is done horizontal. Let me do it again. Alt HFIS. I would click here to be column and I'll make this 1000. So I just want a serial number 1 to 1000. So you can see that now. Very easy. Yes, that's good. So also when you are doing a kind of a competition, let's assume we are adding something. Let's have a random number. Let me add a random number here using the round between function. So you can use the round between function to generate some random numbers from, let's say, 12 to 30. So control enter, and because that cell has been used for date before, so I will go here and make it general. So I will now copy this and paste as value so that the value will not be changing. Now let's assume I want to multiply these two numbers together, 16 and 17. You can see that now. So I can just highlight that and press Ctrl D, and others will do automatically. So that's why we use Ctrl D for repetitive process. Just make sure the first one you did is right and you'll be able to do others correctly. So this is how you can use shortcuts, the tips and the tricks whenever you are working on your Microsoft Excel. We have some other tips and tricks as well. Do not forget to subscribe so that in subsequent video, when I still talk more about some Excel tips and tricks, you'll be able to enjoy and learn more. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.